Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and to this video where I'm going to be making chapati. This is one of the best variations I've ever made. I added green amaranth or dodo and chicken stock for a stunning, absolutely tasty, flavorful and soft flatbread. I've listed the ingredients for you down below, and without further ado, let's get started. To a large mixing bowl, add the sifted flour and salt and mix to combine well. Add your oil and use your fingertips to rub it into the flour until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs like this. Now add your grated carrots. And this here is a bowl of finely chopped and steamed green amaranth or dodo. I steamed them for about 5 minutes. Now, the type of dodo I used is the local one because it's organic, obviously. They're tastier and definitely more flavorful. A labor of love to prepare because of the tinier leaves, but it's absolutely worth it. Add them to the rest of the ingredients and use your hands to bring everything together. Now this here is the must-have ingredient in this recipe. This super hot chicken stock will totally enhance the flavor of the chapatis. Pour it over the ingredients in the mixing bowl and using a spatula or a wooden spoon, bring everything together. When you're able to handle the heat, use your hands to form a dough that looks like this. Transfer it to a clean floured surface and knead for about 5 minutes. At this point, the dough is beautifully elastic and soft. Place it into a bowl like this one, cover with a dishcloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. And I'll see you on the other side of this scripture. You know, people often ask, but Comfort, how do we make soft chapatis? Well, there's a very simple rule. The softer the dough, the softer your chapatis are going to be. So always aim for super soft dough. Now transfer to a floured surface and cut it up into smaller pieces. Shape each piece into round balls like this and set aside. I made 18 balls, but you can make up to 20 depending on the size. Alright, next you want to flour your surface again. Roll out each dough ball into round shapes. If you're one of those people who ends up with shapeless, square or chapatis with ears, there's an easy way to remedy that. Transfer the shapeless chapati to your piping hot skillet and carefully use your fingers to maneuver it into a round shape, the way that you see me doing in the video, and voila! A round chapati. Proceed to cook them bulungi. I have already uploaded a video on how to do that using just a little oil, and I'm gonna link that in the description box below so you can check it out later. As you can see, my first chapo is ready. After cooking the rest, simply enjoy as a snack, as an accompaniment to your chai or juices, or as a side to your stews and curries. So these chapatis are perfect. They have that soft texture. You can taste the chicken flavor imparted by the stock, and the nutty, mild taste of the local dodo shines through bulungi. No one is going to have mercy on this, I tell you. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next one, God bless. Bye.